Take your tote bag making to the next level by making a foldable reusable tote bag. This cute but functional design has a front pocket that turns into a pouch to store your tote bag when not in use. Start by grabbing your favorite Stillwater fabric and a coordinating pure solid. You will also need a fabric marking pen, some matching thread, and some plastic snaps. Fold your 5.5 by 30-inch strap in half and press flat to make a crease line. Open it up and fold your raw edges into the middle of your strap, lining it up to the crease line, and press flat. Take the top folded edge and line it up with the bottom folded edge and press the strap into place so you get something that looks like this. Top stitch on both sides of your strap with coordinating thread to secure your strap and for a polished finished look. Take your 8 by 26-inch pocket piece and fold in half right sides together. Measure a 1/2 inch seam allowance on each side and on the top of your pocket piece. Now measure 1 3/4 inch down and across on each corner on your marked line. Connect these measurements by using a curved object to aid you in making a curved line to make the shape of your flap. Repeat this same process on the other corner. Stitch on the line you drew all the way around your piece, leaving a small unsewn portion to flip your piece through. Trim your seam allowance around the curves and flip your piece through the unsewn portion. Carefully poking out corners and rounding out your curves in your flap, making sure to give it a good press. Take one of your 19.5 by 17.5 inch rectangles of main fabric and fold in half to find the center of your bag and make a crease mark. Fold your pocket piece in half to find the center in the same manner and place the pocket directly in the middle of your bag. 3.5 inches in from the top and bottom and 5 1/4 inch from the sides. Now it's time to box out your corners. Measure 2.5 inches on each bottom corner of your front and back tote pieces, cutting a 2.5 inch square out of each corner. Next, measure 3 inches up from the middle flap and make a crease mark. Top stitch your pocket down to your front bag, sewing as close to the edge as possible. To attach the snap on your flap, find the center and measure 3/4 inch down and mark. Attach the female side of your snap here. To attach your front and back bag, place the wrong sides together and stitch on the sides and bottom at 1/4 inch. We will be using French seams to encase the raw edges to make a strong, sturdy seam. Flip your tote wrong side out and press your seams flat. Stitch at a 1/2 inch to encase your seams on all sides. To finish off the boxed corners, line up raw edges and alternate your seam allowance to each side so seams nest into place. Pin into place and stitch at 1/4 inch on each corner. Repeat this same process, encasing your exposed seams and stitching at a 1/2 inch to secure each corner. Now the inside of your bag is fully finished with beautiful sturdy seams. To give your tote more shape, measure 2 inches out on each side of your side seams. Line these marks up and pin into place. Fold your boxed corners in half and make a crease mark by pressing with an iron. Stitch as close as possible down each crease mark. Repeat this process on your other side seam and bottom seam. Now you will have added shape and structure to your bag with a faux bottom and side panels. I folded up my tote to make sure I found the perfect measurement for attaching the other side of my snap so it will sit flat and snug when closed. Measure 1 3/8 inch from the center top pocket and mark. Attach by poking a hole, placing a cap through the inside pocket, and placing a male piece on top, and using your pliers to pinch into place. To finish off your top bag, fold your raw edge in at 1/4 inch. I like to stitch around my bag at 1/4 inch to give me that line to help fold over my fabric. Press into place and then turn your fabric again at a 1/2 inch and press to secure your raw edge. To add your straps, find your center bag and measure 2 inches out on each side. Place the end of your strap in the top hem of your tote, lining up the inside of your strap to that mark on each side. Top stitch hem down all the way around, securing your strap to your bag. Flip the straps up and pin into place, and top stitch again around the top of your tote to secure your straps in the up position and to make strong, sturdy stitches for your straps. And now your foldable reusable tote bag is complete. Fold in the straps, then the sides, fold the bottom in, and then the top, and fold in half and snap shut. Store them anywhere and everywhere for carrying your things in style. Until next time, happy sewing.